Hello everybody, this is Erick Widman from Passage Immigration Law, and in this Facebook Live video we're going to look at the two key steps that those of you who have a 2-year green card should take in the light of really long delays in getting that renewed. So a lot of our clients have a 2-year green card after marrying a US citizen. At the end of that 2-year period, you're supposed to send in Form I-751 with supporting documentation and show, yes, this is a genuine marriage. Please renew my green card for 10 years. Give me a permanent green card rather than the initial conditional 2-year green card. The process should take about 5 or 6 months, but it's incredibly delayed these days, and it's common across the nation to have more than a 1-year delay in processing the 751 form. And so people are stuck because once you file that 751, you're given an automatic renewal, an extension effectively, for a full year when you file the 751 form. That happens automatically. But it's taking more than a year to get these things processed, and so the extension is running out, and people are understandably concerned because it's a legal requirement to maintain a valid green card. The two things that you can do in light of this situation: first, you need to go, as you approach the end of your extension, you need to set up an InfoPass appointment with the closest USCIS office. And at a recent liaison meeting with the Portland USCIS office, we were asking for guidance on what's the best way to fix this, whether there's any other more convenient way to do it than showing up in person. They said, unfortunately, that's the only remedy right now. So you got to set up an InfoPass appointment online, Google InfoPass, choose the closest USCIS office, and when you go to that appointment, bring your passport, bring your expired green card, bring your receipt notice showing that you have filed your 751 form, and the USCIS officer who meets with you will put a stamp in your passport, an I-551 stamp, that shows that you have permanent resident status, and typically they'll extend it for another year. Sometimes my clients have gotten an extension for 6 months. Ask for a full year if you can get it. And either way, we're hoping that should be sufficient to allow the government to finish all their processing. But even with 1.5 years, we're seeing delays beyond that. So this takes into account, and given the delays, we're recommending the second step that many of you should take who are married to a US citizen is to simply apply for citizenship. If you're married to a US citizen, you're a foreign national, you need to be a permanent resident for 3 years before you apply for citizenship. So given the 1 year plus delays to get your green card renewed, you simply could move forward with filing an N-400 form and become a US citizen, perhaps even faster, believe it or not, than your green card is, how long it takes to get it sent over to you. So you can apply for citizenship 3 months before that 3-year period ends. And you effectively, so 2 years, 9 months from the time that you became a permanent resident, you can file the N-400 form and have that in process in parallel with your 751. It's theoretically possible, and some of our clients have been doing this, to get the naturalization perhaps completed before the green card renewal. It's shocking, but true. Once you're a citizen, you're done with the immigration process effectively. No more renewing your green card. Okay, I'm going to stop there, trying to keep these short nugget style videos. Good speaking with you. See ya.